Hey there, parents and guardians. If you're worried about what your kids might stumble upon while streaming on Hulu, you're not alone. Setting up parental controls is a smart, easy way to keep things family-friendly. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to get it done in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hulu account. Head over to the Hulu website or open the app on your device and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and click on it to access your account settings. Next, navigate to the Settings or Account section. Here, you'll find a tab or option labeled Parental Controls, or something similar, like Content Restrictions. Don't worry if it varies slightly based on your device, it's pretty straightforward. Now, the fun part, setting it up. You'll be prompted to create a PIN. Choose a 4-digit code that's easy for you to remember but tough for little ones to guess. This PIN will act as your gatekeeper for any changes or restricted content. After that, you can customize what gets blocked. Hulu lets you set restrictions based on content ratings, like blocking TV 14 or R-rated shows and movies. You might also have options to limit access to certain categories, such as horror or mature themes. Take a moment to review and select what's appropriate for your family. Once you've made your selections, hit Save or Apply Changes. And just like that, your parental controls are active. To test it out, try searching for a restricted show. It should prompt for your PIN. Remember, it's always a good idea to review these settings periodically as your kids grow. Parental controls aren't just about restrictions, they're about creating a safer viewing experience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more handy tech tips. See you next time.